How you doing? How you doing, fam? GM, good morning. Coming at you with a live. Wanna piece together, what I think a lot of people are going through and jump in and jump in. We did stay at 222s, like I mentioned in the video, a couple of hours, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, almost 7 hours. We did stay, started at around 2 a.m. At 2 a.m. Well, it was pretty interesting. Just a couple hours ago, we're seeing now max more pain and yet again another breakdown. So I'll let you to do its work. Welcome. And it's somewhat early, somewhat early, but oh baby, more. I saw $120-something million liquidations on Watch a Guru about 10 hours ago before I went to sleep. So I can only imagine right now what it is, right? I can only imagine right now. So, what's up, fam? Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notification bells as soon as you're coming in. We'll let you to do its work. And I see there's not many people like right now live. So when I go ahead and jump in, give you a few thoughts. Because yesterday I made a video somewhat urgent, and you never know, when things are gonna change very, very, very fast. Thankfully, you and I know kind of like why this is happening. And welcome to the little flash crash that we're seeing, And definitely some people were like, oh no. We saw the money gone in the liquidations, and the problem here is going to be how much it affects crypto, right? How much it affects a lot of crypto. It's like SEC, Ripple, dropping the appeals, listening to Paul Atkins, incoming XRP news. It's like, if you're surprised that that's just not keeping the market steady, well, I'll tell you. If you zoom out, you will see that the price of XRP is still within the range. You zoom out from $3 to $2. You're just not leaving that range. But if you're looking at the micro like we're doing right now, yes, we have some movement. Let me say hi to the chat fam. What's up, Paul? Internet editor, welcome. Red Cat in the house. Everybody's saying like, we're gonna go under one. Nah, bro, wait a second. I don't have what it takes right now to swallow it in under $1 XRP. I don't have what it takes. Like, it's gonna be devastating. I hope not. I don't think so yet. I'm not convinced that we're gonna get under $1 XRP. So because we've had so many more bigger problems, and the lowest we've been is 177. So from 177 to under $1 is a lot, and I just don't see it happening. I just wanted to address it, Adam, you're so tired of this. I get it, bro. We're here. We're not leaving. I'm not leaving personally. So we've been through this before. This is nothing new. It's just that I'll go ahead and open up a little bit of X. I'll go ahead and open up a few other things. Market manipulation, bro. What's up, Albert? After this, everything will go high. PP in the house. What's up, Dustin? Good to see you. Welcome to all the new subscribers. How's it going, fam? Best thing we can do right now is just control your emotions, and if you have some cash on the side, you want to get in. Um, so now that we have a little bit more people, why don't we go ahead and start dissecting, little by little, piece by piece. And whatever comments you guys have, let us know, of course. So you can clearly see, guys, how this was just planned. We call it sometimes manipulation. We call it sometimes well selling. This was planned. Like, how you go from 247 to 220 in a span of 2 days? 2 days. Like, when we needed mega ballistic news to go this high, which is not that high, and then all of the sudden gains are erased. Gains are erased, right? So this, once again, what we believe are the Trump tariffs are bringing us down to levels that, well, are hurting people. Now, I want to ask you here, why is XRP down today? We're going to put some, tariffs. That's number one. Number two, because XRP is overvalued. That could be another one for some people saying it. Number three, bear market ahead. That's one that a lot of people believe. That's a lot of people believe that we have an incoming bear market, which blows the brains out of me because we haven't even seen the bull market, but I'm gonna add it. And last one, because no, I think I don't have any other one. But tariffs, because XRP is overvalued, bear market, and because yeah, I don't have anyone. I don't have anything else. All right, guys, we'll start with one freebie, one question to start seeing. Oh, I should have put other. So you can go ahead and tell me in the comments what you think XRP is down today. Can we really blame middle of the night instant liquidations on tariffs at this point? What's up, TJ? Welcome, buddy. It happened so fast, we were in the range right here, but we dropped like what, 5%? No, 7% right here. Sui, Jasmine, Bread, Pepe, like all the gains basically gone. Look at that. Closing the Bollinger Bands. Much lower than the Bollinger Bands. Shiba Inu closing the Bollinger Bands. There are H-bar. Closing the Bollinger Bands. Bitcoin, much lower than the Bollinger Bands. That's not good for Bitcoin. That's a lot of people who got crushed with that one. Kronos, actually, CRO is holding pretty steady, which is surprising. I'm happy for CRO. Really, really happy. And XRP is much lower than the Bollinger Bands. I mean, you're seeing it right there. Woo! What's up, John? Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. It feels like AMC all over again. Cheaper in the house. What's up, Pixel? Definitely stepping in to buy this pain. That's the conversation to have, right? Let me go ahead and open up X and let's start doing this right now. Let's start doing this right now. Oh, I had this one open. Close this. There you go. Okay. Perfect. We are back to pain mode. Crypto pain, which is okay. What happens sometimes? I posted this one yesterday, 9 hours ago. Every XRP holder be like, buy the dip. With what? And everybody was like, it's true. It's absolutely true. Now, this is obviously a complete false. Sad but true. Nobody's gonna get after that, but that's complete falsehoods, right? Anybody can say something on X, get away with it, sadly. But right now, fam, no good news are gonna pump us up. Seems to be that way. No good news are gonna pump us up for now. That's another falsehood. People basically getting adding this for clicks, breaking Forbes forecast XRP to hit $60,000 in latest report. It's another clickbait. So you will find a lot of it. You'll find a lot of nastiness on X. You have to really look and browse for the good news. 270. Well, right now, once again, 270 for everything. Fear, we got to 30s, and then I think we're gonna go back to the 20s and under 20s when it comes to the fear and greed index right now. Love the crow cast gesture. Appreciate it. Nice that you liked it. You have to pay off 68,000 loan to buy crypto in the next 2 months. I'm down to 1,000 in crypto. I'm gonna delete this one right now. 190, 180, BTC 78, once again under 80. What's up, Xiao? Don't you know? Pump it up. 100%, buddy. We're here, man. Where are you these days on the future of Tectonic? What's up, Adam? D5 and GAM5 and lending and borrowing, are tough right now. And on a chain that needs a lot of work, it's gone so far. I mean, right now, not much to say on DeFi. If the major coins are having pain right now and are struggling a lot, if the major pain, look at that, 84,000. I mean, it's not like we have been, or like, it's not that we haven't seen these levels before, which is good, We have seen these levels before. But the rally that helped us was the announcements of, we'll go back to the daily here. That was the first week of March, from $76,000 BTC right here, 76, all the way to 88. So you can take a look at that in the daily. We actually topped close to the top of the Bollinger Bands right there. And now look at that red candle, bro. Look at that red candle. It's like, that's a crushing red candle. We have some levels. I mean, we are now at the 84. It takes a while for us to pump back up, about 2 weeks. Now we're all of a sudden, once again, at that range. Free, what's up, buddy? Welcome. Back to more of the same every day, every Friday, weekends. Brace yourself for the next one. It's going to get crazy. I mean, we're ending We're ending the Q1 and we're approaching April 2nd. Ending Q1, approaching April 2nd. And if you're telling me that the lowest that we're going to see is close to the $2 XRP and close to 80,000 Bitcoin, guys, I'll take it. Understand that this pain is not that bad, fam. When you open up, it's not that bad. Now, why do you say that, Oscar? What do you say? Well, I say that because we could easily be with much, worse news or not having the good news that we had a couple weeks ago. We could easily, close to $1 XRP or $60,000 Bitcoin. But despite everything and because of everything, the levels that I'm showing you right now on the screen are down, but they're not mega terrible, They're not mega terrible. And I'm looking at the poll right now, and why is XRP down today? Well, we have a lot of people saying tariffs because XRP is overvalued and bear market ahead. Some people also say. I got some cash on the side just ready to deploy. I opened some positions at a really low leverage, honestly, and crazy how sometimes even with low leverage you get crushed. Let me show you Watch Your Guru right here. See what the latest is here. Michael Saylor says Bitcoin market cap will eventually reach five. Oh my, what? Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, man. When you are looking at the future, at what could be, unburdened by what has been, you know why I say that. You guys know why I say that. You're gonna realize that a lot of people just are not just they're not really paying attention too much to the prices, right? Like I am paying attention to the prices. He said 500 trillion market cap for Bitcoin, right? Well, if you ignore day-to-day volatility and just buy, and hold the line, you should be fine. You should be fine. I don't know about 500 trillion market cap for Bitcoin, but I know that Bitcoin is still going to do really, really well. And guess who is also going to benefit from having a really, really strong Bitcoin? Well, that's going to be XRP. That's going to be XRP for sure. Max. I like Max. 9 good news and the price doesn't move. 1 bad news and everything crash. I'm tired of it, to be honest. Everybody, welcome. Drop a like, fam. Subscribe to the channel. Let's help us reach out to more family house XRP holders and the entire community. We're here solid, ready, able to fight the fight. And we're not leaving. I don't know about you guys, but we're not leaving, man. 500 trillion market cap is insane. I feel you, bro. It is insane indeed. It is insane indeed, right? 9 hours ago, there you have it. 120 million liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the past 60 minutes. So there's people that are going in right now. They're going in with everything they have. And some of the problem that I'm seeing is that, people are just really using a bunch of leverage, man. Like tons of leverage right now. I just said blood on the streets, fam. It's true. Mm. 66% Bitcoin dominance? No way. 66% of the asset class. Wow. It's a lot. That's a big, I mean, 61, 60 something percent Bitcoin dominance. That's still big. That's huge. I mean, Bitcoin dominance hasn't come down in a while. And you wonder, like, when it will altcoin season start reaching and coming in and talk to us? But no, it's not going to happen as long as Bitcoin dominance is that big. Well, you're scared. Whales are just about 3 billion worth of Bitcoin. It goes without saying, guys, that while people are selling their BTC, some other whales are buying Bitcoin, right? Right now, 84,176. What do you think? It's going to go to the 70s once again. We're going to be looking at a drop of 5% to get to this $70,000 to drop to the 5%. And for XRP, so I got some of my levels right there, and we're looking at around 8% right now, close to 9% to get to the $2 once again. Understanding that we are in, let me just put it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more days for April 2nd, and who knows how many days after that. April 2nd is a Tuesday. No, Wednesday. So that Wednesday, this incoming Wednesday, he's gonna have an announcement from the White House, obviously, and there's gonna be some executive order signed. I'm pretty positive, right? So at that moment, are we gonna see more pain? How will the markets react? People were saying the stock market was down too. Just take a look at it. Take a look also at inflation right now, sticking in. Trump tariffs are looming. That combo creates headache for the Fed. Inflation is sticking around, so Jerome Powell not cutting rates. Inflation sticking around, and the Trump tariffs are just what's bringing the prices down. Everybody, it looks that way. S&P 500 down, Dow Jones down, NASDAQ down, Russell down. Yep. So just giving you a little bit more of context, right? As far as it's not an XRP problem or a crypto problem, right? It's just everything. Everything it is. So the shorts are making some good money today. Let's go. What's up, Harry? When XRP is at $5, we will be crying again at $2.49. It happens, man. It's true. I'm gonna be holding my crypto right now, my stable coins. I probably just want to once again buy the dip, and yet again buy the dip, right? So many buy the dip opportunities. So many of them. I just say it, brother. It's like more chances for you to add to your bags. Top punks, only use case and utility projects will survive. Appreciate it for the kind donation, buddy. Appreciate it so much. Remember, you guys utilize that money to buy more crypto, more XRP, like this one. This guy right here. I have my wallets, and those wallets always trying to add more, because when you least expect, you're gonna see a nice change in pace in the market. That's not gonna be because of good XRP news, good Bitcoin news, right? There's tons of Bitcoin news right now. There's tons of XRP news right now. A lot of them. They're not helping. because what's affecting the market right now is more macro rather than news related. The macro is really changing the landscape right now for all crypto. Um, we might see a once again $2 XRP, fam. So brace yourself. Now, if you're one of those that is looking a year from now, 5 years from now, don't even worry about this. But if you're here with me because you're like, okay, so what's happening to my crypto is down and I'm in the red, well, I'm here to tell you to bring you back to the basics, right? This is something that everybody will experience because we've been at 320 back in January. February was a devastating month for everybody here, and March is not being really the best. Once we have some pretty awesome news about the SEC and the lawsuit, but helped for a little bit, but not holding the line for those tariffs, as you can tell. Hmm. That's us. Says Bitcoin CME gap close, ready for liftoff at 84,700. The price keeps going down, baby. Ethereum also went down too a lot, right? Yep. It was like a 2000 for a while right there holding the line. And I went to 1800. So look at that beauty. Sometimes when we see finally a chance and saving hand, to start finding the bottom and finally coming back up in, there's always a reason why to come even lower, lower and lower. Uh, it would all pump from April 2nd. Everything will reverse. It can reverse so quickly, bro. Philip, hey, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. I've been saying for weeks, should have sold over 2.50 and you could have bought back in today. What's up, Johnny? Chemo in the house. Welcome, buddy. There's not good news about crypto. We'll have the real world use case. People are getting bored with digital number collectibles. You mean NFTs? Government doesn't want us to move 3 trillion crypto cap. Stocks as hotter inflation tariffs weighs on the sentiment. So this is what's happening. The U.S. falls sharply on Friday as Wall Street grapples with President Trump's escalating trade war and digests another signal of reinvigorated inflation pressures as consumer sentiment plummets. In focus Friday morning was released the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, PCE, which includes the Federal Reserve Preferred Inflation Gauge of core PCE. The readings show price increased more than expected last month, rising 0.4% month over month, 2.88% year over year, continuing a stubborn plateau on the path to the Fed's target. Meanwhile, U.S. consumer sentiment in March plummeted to its lowest level since November 22. The latest reading from the University of Michigan came at 57, down from 64 reading the prior month. There's your answer, fam. There's your answer. How quickly things can change in the world of crypto. Oh boy. And in the world of the markets. That's exactly why as answering the question why crypto down today. Well, we're down because there are some things that we just cannot control as far as how the market will move. But see it as other different opportunities to buy the dip if you so choose to, right? If you want to add more positions to your bags, because man, BTC dominance right now, like everybody's going to Bitcoin right now. Everybody's saying, you know what? I'm tired of altcoins. They're not pumping. Let me just buy Bitcoin. That's what's happening. That's the meaning of that chart right there. No QE, no quantitative easing. Bro, we need QE now, right? No way we need QE now. But yeah. I like how in the comments we're like, tariffs have everything to do with crypto, and someone said tariffs has nothing to do with crypto. Well, that's why we have a chat open. So go ahead, guys, and help yourselves. Because what I'll tell you is that the reason why right now we're having this pain, which started, literally back in February. The pain started in February, so it's been close to 60 days of pain inflicted in the markets, right? After Trump won, we're looking really nice. And after Trump got inaugurated, it was really nice. But as soon as those executive orders started to kick in and we started, to grasp the idea that there were going to be changes, a lot of changes when it comes to trade, that's when the whole market changed. And we went from $3 all the way to $177. That's what happened. Well, everybody, there you have it. More red candles coming in our way. Drop a like, fam, and also take a look at the links down below, guys. If you want to start opening some trades, buying some crypto, there's your chance. We got some links down below that can help out. Checking the latest updates and notifications that I have right here, because man, I'll buy more XRP if we go under 1,850, picking up more XLM now. What are your thoughts on Stellar? They don't have much Stellar right now. I have more XRP than that. What's up, Drew? Well, I mean, if you're getting a little bit frustrated with the dumps, well, this is exactly the moment where you and I should be very happy, because it's providing some more opportunities for us to get in. Because we know that it's gonna come back up again. That's a fact. Look at the weeks right here. This is BTC. We were having our first 2 weeks of green after a devastating $76,000, right? And after 76, went all the way to 89. Ooh, what's up, Satoshi Akamoto? Close. You're close to the person that we want to find, Do you know the person we want to find? You can hardly blame people. They sold crypto in 2021, and it's sovereignty to the rich. They sold for $1 trillion and give all the power to the rich. Crypto never be the same. Boom. Appreciate your kind donation, buddy. Welcome. We have that's why I made the video yesterday. I told you, take a look at this video before April 2nd, and we're right now here. So we've been covering, how things are moving right now, day to day, hour by hour, almost day to day, right? How because of the news and everything and all of that, we see some nice recoveries. But as soon as that's done, like as soon as the impressions for the SEC dropping, the appeals, as soon as that left the news cycle, back to lower levels, actually. Not back to the same levels that XRP was. No, lower levels. Look at this. It was 222 right here, Tuesday. We don't really have any like a checkpoint from here to here, so it's either 2.18s and or $2. Considering that typically the weekends are painful and Saturday or Sunday. Well, actually, our last Saturday was and Sunday was pretty huge. Like it was green. We went up to 250s Saturday and Sunday, right? But what do you think might happen this Saturday and Sunday, guys? Looking at how things are moving and ahead of the April 2nd, I think this incoming Saturday and Sunday is gonna be so bloody, bro. Oof. Gonna be painful, bro. I mean, like, how bad can it get from Wednesday at 3 a.m.? That's gonna be a 20% drop. You guys think it's gonna happen? Closing this period from Wednesday to Sunday with a 20% drop. We go to $2 and then from there we stop and then we start going back up. What do you think? Because now, I mean, one thing was right here, right at 230s. We lost the battle. 220s. Took us about 7 hours to stay here. We lost the battle. Now we're here. So we're losing the battle here. We're losing the battle here. We're losing the battle here. There's no buying pressure right now, guys. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. It's like there's no buying pressure right now. Woo. What's up, mothers? Nice to have you, buddy. Welcome, welcome. Satoshi, I can tell you how bad it can get this year. It's a day where we're entering the bear market. All along will be decimated. This is not the bear market. This is not the bear market. I know how people love to say, oh, it's the bear market. It's not the bear market. These are events that are occurring because of the person who is in the White House, because of Donald J. Trump, because of the new changes in policy. I believe that if we had, look, I'm not saying that it's wrong what he's doing, because he has a strategy to meet for the US and for America first and to lower taxes, because there's some incoming pain attached. We already had a conversation about that, right? About the tariffs. But imagine coming into the White House and saying, look, we're not going to change any tariffs. We're going to stay the way we are right now, right? That means that no fear to international markets, no fear to domestic markets, because everything stays the same, right? So the only problem we have will be just combating inflation and watching over PCE and hoping for QE. That's it. But that's not what's happening right now. That is not what's happening right now. Right now, we have inflation fears, PCE, and we have tariffs, where he comes in and start, an interesting tariff war with Mexico, Canada, China, the European Union, everyone. Obviously, that's going to change the markets. Obviously, that's not going to be happy to a lot of people, And just happens to be one of the major news incoming Wednesday. So this is not it's over. The cycle is gone, and now we're gonna go back and retest 40 cents. No, I don't think so. Let us pass this Q1, which was tough. But guys, we're still at $2 XRP after being at 50 cents for many months. I'm going to keep saying it to your face right here. If you sell right now, if you leave right now, be blessed. But just know that it can all pump back up really quickly, because we have the news. We have the news to pump back up very quickly. This is just transitory, like transitory pain. That's the way I see it. Morning, Oscar and the squad. Just for fun, can we look at BTC chart from January the 20th to now? Thank you, Adam. January the 20th. $109,000, brother. Woo, woo, woo. There it is. 109. I've been holding that price label right there. That is January the 20th. Yep. There you have it. Right there. Sell your backs if you guys have after little price drops. Yesterday's news, Oscar, there's a lot of news and events since October. January the 22 now, Trump effect. Thanks, Oscar. Hey, Adam, no problem, buddy. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Got some water, guys. No blood on the streets today, but still holding the line, holding the line. By the way, here where I live in Texas, it was pouring yesterday. And for some reason in the world, nasty things happens, every single day, as you know. I was looking at TikTok, and in Taiwan, a whole building collapsed, man. It's like, what are you talking about, bro? It's insane. I know. I mean, I understand that things are bad in the market, but brother, watching crypto candlesticks go down is not as bad as other different events, Just for perspective, Who is Brad Garlinghouse? That's the Ripple CEO, buddy. Ripple CEO. Thailand, Bangkok. Thank you, Ma. Appreciate it. Start with TA, but I was scrolling too fast. Appreciate it, Thailand. Thank you. It's a rude reality. It is, man. It is. It's like we feel that the world is ending. Basically, we feel that the world is ending when prices are like this or so. But in reality, it's just another day in the markets, man. It's not gonna be that bad as everybody thinks. It's not gonna be that great like everybody thinks. It's gonna be what it is, and you have to take profits when things are looking. When you finally reach your goal, that's a great idea to take some profits and just restart, and that's it. Because if you don't take profits, somebody else will, and you will miss it. I told you in one of our previous live streams that I didn't take profits at 330, right? Which was a really nice price, 330. I was up everywhere, right? Because I believe that $3, it was just so low for our XRP. I believe so, right? $3 for XRP to sell, not a chance. But now we're seeing how, and I think it's a good learning experience for me, honestly. How despite any great news that we now hear after Trump, the market and the stock market and, economical and political policy is going to has more weight, than anything else. And that's the reason why right now things are moving this direction. It's true. Glad you bought back when it was 1800. US really is winning either way. Tariffs to force other countries to concede while giving a big American whales the opportunity to load up on the dips. No, 100%. Yeah, that's what I was saying, earlier. I don't know if you heard, guys, but some countries, right? I just don't have the name of the country right now on me, but with these tariffs, right? Retaliatory tariffs, all of the countries that were having some tariffs against the US that probably the US didn't even know, they're right now canceling or stopping the tariffs, right? So the United States, short term, right now is trying to save money at the speed of light. At the speed of light. the bigger countries, right, like China, the European Unions, Japan, Mexico, Canada, right? Australia, I don't know, any other country, right? That, well, maybe not Australia, but, other different countries in Africa or so. They are the ones that have to make a choice. And we might finally see, some of that green incoming in Q2. So we have many, many months left to go. Ooh. It's one of those days that the red candles on the streets are providing some allergies, guys. That happens a lot. 219 right here and 84,000 BTC. Happens a lot, everybody. What's up? I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, but appreciate it, buddy. Sweet in the house. Let's go, brother. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to you. Sometimes your names are a little difficult for me to pronounce, so I just better just read the message. But we appreciate you having you here, guys. Always. Going to sell XRP to buy myself some new socks. That's real, bro. It's okay. We fight. Totally okay, man. Put yourself first. Put yourself first. You're being wrong this whole time. Well, not really, bro. That's totally wrong, but I wish you have a great life, buddy. Clearly, you're not looking at the big picture. Clearly, A lot of people need to check themselves first. Because there's all kinds of different ways to analyze crypto. And we're doing the right thing. We're putting ourselves in a great position right now, fam. When things are bloody in the streets, all the footers come out, all the haters come out, all those leeches come out. And I love it because you can hear and feel and taste how the time to buy is near, I told you many times, like, this is not the first time, but it's like always, always, always. When things are bad, all they come out. When things are great, crickets. Crickets. So when you ask me, should I buy Oscar? Do you think I should buy Oscar right now? Well, take a look at the comments. Always take a look at the comments. Take a look at what other people are saying and how they're saying it, Because I don't see them complaining. Instead of looking at the chart like I'm showing you right now per hour, go back to the weekly. Go to the monthly. Go to the year. See if you complain. See if you're gonna. I mean, it's just so basic. It's just so very, very, very basic. Like I told you many times, we're still in the range. We're still in the range of 3 and 2. We're still in the range. We're breaking down the symmetrical wedges, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 times we broke down the symmetrical wedges. It's crazy. I know it hurts a lot of people, right? But look at this. Look at this. 3 times we broke down the symmetrical wedge. Only once we are breaking out of the symmetrical wedge. So crazy, bro. 1, 2, 3. And you know what? This one, tariffs. This one, I want to say tariffs, but I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly what happened here. So much going on, but it could be tariffs. What happened at the end of February, guys? Or beginning? Because we had the announcement of the... I think it was tariffs because this was obviously tariffs. I remember. It was the beginning of February. Now, here is the announcement when Trump made, on Truth Social. But what happened before, like the last week of February? I think it was tariffs. Hack. Oh, the hack. Bybit. Bybit hacked. Was it Bybit hack? Yeah. Well, somewhat. Yeah. The 21st. Yeah, it was in the 20th. Okay. Yeah. There you go. There you go. I love my community. You always tell me, thank you guys. You guys see? I give you the answer right there, fam. There's the answer. There's the answer. There's your answer, guys. Every single time we're going down, there's a reason why. Every reason why we go up, there's also a reason why. None of this are reasons that the bull market is over. They all are just reactions to news. All of it. Once again, tariffs. Thank you. Bybit hack, which was huge, of course. Bybit hack, which was, I mean, that impacted everything, right? There was some other news during that week. There were a lot of news during that week, I remember. And tariffs once again. Tariffs, hack. There it is. Trump Truth Social post and the Ripple, the SEC dropping charges, dropping the appeals. Right here, the 11th and the 28th, that was basically the bottom. And there we go again. So if I had to guess, it looks like we are going to now once again put a bottom. And once we have a bottom, we're going to start back up and, once again, going all the way up. All the way up. Yeah. Love it, man. And the rock pulse. Thank you, Leroy. Yes, because we had when was the Libra? When was the Libra? It's so easy, man. It's so easy. It's so easy to understand all those rock pulls, right? As far as why it happened. March 6th. Right here. There you go. February 14, somewhere here. So yeah, I mean, March 13 or so. What's up, everybody? Goodbye, Mango. Take it easy, brother. Like I'm telling you, fam, like I'm telling you, that all those photos come out. That's when you know we're getting closer to once again another bottom. Once we get another bottom, go back up. You see? It's very easy to understand, in my opinion. Very easy to understand how things are going closer and closer and closer. There's nothing to be sad about. You've done your research. You know what you hold. When you hold win, when it drops, win when it goes up. Take advantage of the moments. 100%, buddy. 100%. It's true. But that was crazy, to see. Well, once again, we have that. Everybody, there's my 1 hour time. I'll keep an eye on this. Once again. You know it. I wanted to come here and tell you what's going on. The reason why the prices are moving down a little bit, lower. You now know there's gonna be more videos coming in your way. I kind of wanted just to start the day with a nice live chat and to say hi to everybody. As always, John 360 in the house. You remember people always waiting and crying to buy low, and now it's time. Now they cry. People are strange. I know, man. It is what it is. But at the end of the day, man, we are rock steady, rock solid. Okay? I've been telling you to all my 1,000+ people here watching. Remember, guys, once the price starts pumping, we're going to have double, triple the viewers right here. So the people who are here are the top G's. Because you understand that even in the blood on the streets, we ain't leaving. Do your research, fam. Take a look at the links down below if you want to join the space. If you want to, sign up to those on those bonuses on BTCC. We have Bitunix. We have Weeks. If you're looking for a place to start trading and put your skills to the test, try it out, fam. All right? I'll keep you in the know. And thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one, guys. Be safe. Peace. Let's go. Appreciate it. 316. Have a good one, buddy. Going Baron, what's up, brother? Happy to see you, brother. Welcome. Who's crying? LOL. This is when you load up 100%, man. So I have some stable coins, and I'll be loading up maybe today. We'll see. Have to keep an eye on this. Ciao.